Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the Bullets Wireless Z2 and your phone. Put the earphones in pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED flashes. This lets your phone discover them. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and tap the bullets when they appear. Once connected, make sure the OnePlus Bullets app or Bluetooth settings show the device as paired. This establishes the audio path and allows the assistant trigger to work. Now you'll configure the bullets to call Google Assistant. Open your phone settings and go to Default Apps or Assist and Voice Input. Select Google Assistant as the default. Next, map the earbud gesture, long press or double tap the right bud, in the Bullets app or system Bluetooth controls to launch Assistant. Make sure mic and notification permissions are granted so the assistant can hear you and provide responses. Once configured, test a simple command to verify the flow. Finish by testing real commands and learning common patterns. Use the map gesture or say the trigger, then speak concise commands like play jazz or navigate home. You can ask follow-ups without re-triggering if your assistant supports continued conversation. If activation or audio fails, power cycle the earbuds and phone, then repair. This often clears Bluetooth glitches. If problems persist, check app permissions and battery levels. Low power or blocked mic permission is a frequent cause of failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.